Good morning. It is Monday, July 31st, and we're just on a walkie with Nala Dog.
It's a beautiful day for Harris Teeter Seltzer.
Woo! That's actually seltzer this time.
Yeah, it's actually seltzer.
Woo! So I guess I didn't hit record for me prepping the tortillas. So that's roughly what it looked like. Great, now on to the next step. So yesterday I mentioned that I also had to probably get a haircut today, and maybe a lot of you are wondering right now, like, whoa, but you're still at your house. How are you gonna get a haircut? It's like, well, I guess I just gotta get started. Let's do this. I think that it turned out pretty good, if I do say so myself. What are you thinking, Nala? Yeah. That's looking to be a wrap on this day. I feel like we got a lot done, cooked a good meal, I got my hair cut. Currently playing with Nala right now to get her tired for the evening. Her toy actually ripped in two places. Last time she was tugging it. Oh, Nala, show everyone. Yeah, good job. But it still seems to work good enough for her to pull and tug on. So, and I'll see you all tomorrow, and thanks for watching. Bye.